In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create and manage multiple Reddit accounts safely using Multilogin. If you are doing Reddit marketing, research, moderation, or community management, you already know that Reddit is extremely sensitive to account behavior. One mistake, shared fingerprints, or unstable setups, an account will start getting flagged. In this video, I will show you the correct way to create and manage Reddit accounts using Multilogin. That way, each account behaves like it belongs to a completely separate user. Now, the reason account separation matters on Reddit is that Reddit does not just look at IPs, it looks at device fingerprints, session behavior, cookies, and consistency over time. Running multiple accounts from the same browser or basic VPN setups is exactly what causes bans, which is why each account needs its own environment, its own identity, and its own long-term session. And this is where a service like Multilogin fits into the workflow. If you would like to get started with Multilogin, go ahead and navigate to the link in the description down below for convenience. Once you have created your account, inside Multilogin, you want to start by creating a new browser profile. Each profile comes with its own unique fingerprint, isolated storage, cookies, and local data. Now, from Reddit's perspective, this will look like a completely different computer and a completely different session. You assign a dedicated proxy to that profile so IP, location, and browser data all match naturally. Once that's done, you launch the profile and go to Reddit just like a normal user would. The second step would be to create your Reddit account. So from inside that isolated profile, you create your Reddit account normally. No automation, no scripts, no weird behavior. You verify the new email, you set up your username, and log in. The key part is that this session persists. When you come back tomorrow or next week, Reddit will see the same device, same browser environment, and same behavior patterns. As for managing the multiple accounts on the long term, each Reddit account will live inside its own Multilogin profile. That means that you can switch between accounts instantly without cross-contamination. One profile, one Reddit account, one consistent identity. This setup is ideal for marketers, agencies, or teams managing multiple subreddits or brand accounts because it scales without becoming risky or chaotic. So if Reddit is part of your workflow and you care about account longevity, this is the foundation that you will need. Multilogin gives you structured separation, predictable behavior, and peace of mind. You can get started with their 3-day free trial for only 1.99 euros using the link in the description down below and test it out for yourself. Thanks so much for watching. If you have found this video to be helpful or informative to watch, let us know by giving us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos relating to this one.